Hi, my name is Fariss. Together with my partner Nico.m4v, we'll discuss about the Earth's problems with plastic bags and how it affects humans. We'll also be talking about the materials economy. Our main point is to recycle.
It takes about a second for a petroleum pumper to suck an amount of petroleum, but it takes 1,000 years for a plastic bag to break down. Do you see the difference?
If this hunt for petroleum goes on, in a few years' time, petroleum will run out and soon will not be one of our natural resources. We won't be able to use petroleum anymore. This means incredible crisis.
The extraction of oil is responsible for the deforestation, degradation, and destruction of lands across the globe. This quote was from rainforests.mongabay.com.
All these materials were wasted on our convenience, but so much is made. Sure, if we only used a limited amount, stop the production of these horrible things, you could do it now.
All of the plastic bags are blended in with toxic. Corporations do that because of special reasons. These toxics would satisfy the consumer, but actually increase the chance of cancer. One of the strongest toxins is dioxin.
Environmentalists are enraged by mass produce of these wastes. But the riots they create don't stop these crazy money-greedy companies. Mass produce is a big thing. If they don't stop it now, it will ruin the future.
If we had to pay for use of plastic bags, not everybody would use them. It takes a lot to make a ton, and corporations are happy. What about us civilians?
Ever since New Delhi government shunned distribution of plastic bags this year, trucks and vans have less travel time, which means less fossil fuel burning, which means less pollution in the atmosphere and CO2.
If we had to pay for use of plastic bags, not everybody would use them. It takes a lot to make a ton, and corporations are happy? What about us civilians?
$430,931,654,153 plastic bags were used and consumed from 152 as of 11/11/09, and they all go in our trash bins every hour or so. It is also increasing every second.
More and more plastic bags are used. More and more animals that get affected, like turtles and jellyfish, will soon die out and create a disruption of their habitat and local food chain.
As more and more people use plastic bags, people will just leave it everywhere. Like this picture here, a bird that died because of a simple plastic bag. Environmentalists would get furious. Consumption is a big thing, or people could stop it.
You know, 98% of the trash go to either landfills or incinerators, depending on where you are or live. Only 2% of the trash is recycled. There are a lot of materials that could be recycled, but humans, as selfish as they are, they don't care.
Once it degrades, it would send super toxic chemicals to the ground. Then, it has a butterfly effect. The chemicals would pollute the water. Then fish meat will not be eatable, and drinking water will not be safe. This will affect everybody.
We keep trashing plastic bags, they will go to the incinerator. It's just another detour that pollutes even more. We don't want that to happen, do we?
Litter is bitter, as they say. Money and creation of these horrible inventions make joy for those filthy rich polluters, but it backfires on the people who live in dumps. People are forced to live with it. Don't you want to fix this mess?
As one of Earth's main pollution problems, it is our job to clean it up. This generation of humans has the ability to remove all big pollution from the face of our planet. So let's do it!
Why not use this instead? First, it would lessen the use of plastic bags. Second, it would stop most of the production of plastic bags, and then would stop using deadly toxins. Why not use this instead? Remember, less plastic bags, happier world. Thank you for listening to our presentation.
And hopefully you will follow in our footsteps and stop using plastic bags.
Remember, lesser plastic bags, happier world. And also, litter is bitter.